In the world of philosophy, there is a fascinating branch known as the philosophy of mathematics. Here, philosophers engage in thought-provoking debates about the existence and nature of mathematical objects. The central question is whether numbers and other mathematical entities are real and independent of human thought, or if they are merely constructs of the human mind. This debate leads us to the domain of ontology, where philosophers delve into the fundamental nature of mathematical entities. Some argue for Platonism, which posits that numbers and mathematical objects have an objective existence that is separate from human cognition. On the other hand, nominalism and constructivism contend that mathematical entities are products of the human mind, constructions that don't possess an independent reality. Another area of inquiry within the philosophy of mathematics is epistemology, which explores the nature of mathematical knowledge and how we come to know mathematical truths. Philosophers examine whether mathematical knowledge is empirical, based on observation and experience, or if it is a priori, existing independently of our experiences. Within the realm of mathematical truths and reality, we find contrasting perspectives. Mathematical realism asserts that mathematical entities exist independent of our knowledge, while anti-realists believe that mathematics is a creation of the human mind, lacking an objective reality. In line with realism, the concept of mathematical Platonism suggests that mathematical entities are abstract objects, existing beyond the confines of space and time. This intersection of mathematics and philosophy also extends to other disciplines. Ethics and aesthetics play a role in philosophical discussions about the beauty and elegance of mathematical theories, as well as the ethical implications of mathematical applications in technology and economics. Additionally, the study of cognitive science further enriches our understanding of how humans comprehend and process mathematical concepts, bridging the fields of philosophy, psychology, and neuroscience. Looking back in history, we see a close connection between mathematics and philosophy. Many renowned philosophers also made significant contributions to the field of mathematics. Pythagoras, Descartes, Leibniz, and Russell are just a few examples of individuals who left a lasting impact on both disciplines. Furthermore, the development of mathematical ideas often intertwines with philosophical questions regarding the nature of reality, knowledge, and the limits of our understanding. In conclusion, the relationship between mathematics and philosophy is profound and intricate. Mathematics provides a rigorous framework for comprehending the world we inhabit, while philosophy delves into the foundational questions regarding the nature of mathematical objects, the source of mathematical knowledge, and the implications of mathematical theories. This intricate interplay between the two disciplines enriches our understanding of reality and our place within it, enabling us to gain a more profound perspective on the intricate tapestry of existence.